Hi everyone, it's Kath here, your friendly neighborhood assistant community manager, and today I'm going to build a level really quick. So last time I built my level, it was kind of about trickery, like tricking the player into running in the wrong direction, and all about kind of falling really fast through the level and trying to avoid the traps. So this time I was thinking maybe I'll do it like speed running through the level and climbing instead of falling. So let's zoom out. I like working like zoomed out like this to start with and just placing the blocks. I'll probably put a bunch of oil blocks in because they're really slippery, so I figure that'll make you go even faster. I just want to make it a really short level too, so I might just make it this long and then I'll test it afterwards. I want to have a wall here where you can climb up, but it's not just going to be that easy. I kind of want to make it so it's like, oh, erase that. I want to make it so bits of the wall are missing to make it a bit harder. So maybe, I wonder if I can reach that. I'll have to test this. You have to test your levels before you can publish them, so I need to make sure I can finish it. Which will be interesting. I'm not the best raider, but I just try and die so many times that eventually I get there. So I might put the end up here, let's see. So traps, because the spawn and the finish point are under traps. You see it's like really easy to build, you just kind of paint the objects on, so that's really cool. You can basically have it however you want. So, alright, to get the speed up, let's put in an ISIS treadmill. The ISIS treadmill makes you run really fast, which is good when you have like long stretches, because you can run through it really fast, but also makes it harder to dodge traps. Oil blocks. Alright, let's put some oil blocks after the treadmill to get them really sliding. I've saved up a ton of gold for this level, so hopefully I can make a really good one. What trap should I put in? Oh, I'm gonna put in a spring, because that'll send them flying through the air. I want this to be all about speed. Where is it? I've gone past it. I've gone past it again. Oh. Spring of Doom, here it is. I'll fling him at the wall, hey? Let's see. Maybe if I put it there, and of course, if we have a spring trap, I have to have a hand trap, because that's just how I roll. I don't know. So I'm gonna put that there, and hopefully that'll fling them up into that trap. I'm gonna have a crocodile pit in here somewhere. Didn't have that in my last level. And you know, if you're going really fast sliding across here, that could be interesting. Oops. Ah, what have I done? Okay, I need to put another block in. I accidentally deleted that one. I might just try this out to see if it works, and then if it works, I'll make it prettier. So let's try or run it. So it zooms in on the treasure, so you know where you're going. It's a pretty simple level, there's only like a few traps, but we'll see how hard it is with the climbing. Oh yeah. That probably looks really easy, but it was actually hard already. Or maybe it's just me. Like I said, I'm not the best raider. Oh, okay, that's not gonna work. Okay, so the spring sends you into the hand, but I've got the oil bricks too low. So... Oh, yeah, that works perfectly. So when I jump up, I hit one of the oil bricks and I slide down, I can't climb up, so I have to change that. So I just click on this button to get back into the editor. So I will put in a normal block. And you can just paint the block paint over what you've already got if you want to get rid of something, so that's really good as well. Now this one was too high, so I'll make it like that. I might need to do this. Should be able to climb up now. Let's try it again. Oh, that was interesting. Restart it, because I kind of messed that up a bit, I think. Oh, that might be a problem. See, it's a lot of trial and error. You don't just kind of build it and then just publish it straight away. Oh, there we go. Whoa, okay, that one was too high. Oh. That wasn't bad. I think I like this because it's going to be more about how fast you can climb up and how fast you can finish it rather than avoiding traps all the time. And I think those are my favourite levels, the ones where you've got to try to shave the seconds off rather than like focusing on dying a million times. Oh, I know what I'll do. Okay, so I'm going to move the hand trap and the spring trap, and I'm actually going to put them here. So now you have to dodge the spring. That should do it, and I don't really need this oil brick there. It's just going to be a waste of gold, so I'm going to get rid of that. Alright, let's try it now. First I'm going to just, on purpose, run into the spring. Yeah, that works. So, cool. That'll be the first trap. I mean, not the first trap, the first place to kind of grab people. Oh, yeah, I can't even get past it. See, the crocodiles are kind of easy to jump over. You learn pretty fast. Of course I get eaten when I say that. They're pretty easy to jump over once you know, like, once you've got your timing right. But then you have to dodge a spring as well. And some springs are actually helpful. So, it's not always 100% whether you should jump on them or not. There we go. Restart. Yeah, I think I like this level design. Oops. Oh, what happened? What can I say? It's alpha. I actually also love playing games in alpha. There's always these kind of funny things going on in them. Some people find that frustrating, not me. I think it's amusing. Alright. So I made it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm actually just going to pretty up the level. Check out... Oh, it's not as much as I thought it was going to be. I saved up heaps of gold for this. So I'll just pay with my gold. 7,300. Level name... I'm going to call it Oil Spill. But yeah, that was just a really quick, simple level. It takes probably less than 15 seconds to complete. It really didn't cost me that much gold, even though, I mean, look at all the stuff I put in there. I put all these props in. I've got 5 traps in, oh, I've got 6 traps. The ISIS trap mall. I've got 6 traps in there. Yeah. So I think it's actually pretty easy to make a level. And actually, if you want to go, you can go create a level now. I mean, if you're watching this video, you've got all the links on the page, Facebook, Twitter. Go ahead and give it a shot, and link to your level in the comments, or not link. Tell us what the name is in the comments. All right, see ya.